Okay. I don't know how long this video is going to last, but I'm making a OE div for when Chib gets off the plane. And now in a few a few minutes, I don't know, it's minutes backwards, so so anyway, off to the action. So let's look at the signs that we made for a loof. So here, look. There's Allie with the sign right here. It says "Welcome home, First Lieutenant Davis," and there's another sign right there that Nasus is holding and stuff, and Netzrick is being silly. And there's my little thing. This is like a loof right there. And there's Reed right there. So it's Reed.
Be in uniform.
Yeah, he would be. So, yeah, I guess, yeah, I imagine he would, yeah. So, I guess right now some people are coming off of the end now, and we're just waiting for Loof to... We're waiting for him to get off, so yeah. So right now we're just kind of recording, and we're just like waiting and stuff. But maybe a little while, I don't know. Hope he's not sitting at the back of the plane. But yeah. Hey, my name is Oliver, and I carry a big gun. Yeah, we're gonna get gonna drink some Reeb and get Canard and eat Trap. It'll be really Luke. There's an E-Terp Larig over there. So dippets.
Just the leg.
No signs of... Oh yeah, that's right. Usually they let the first class out first, well, you know, usually, yeah.
Yeah, you tell me if you see his feet, okay?
See his feet, that's funny. He has really,
There he is, there he is. There he is, there he is. Woo!
He came down the stairs, what a chib. He's the only one to come down, too. He's really... They're gonna get the hugs first. I'll get the hug later. You gotta have priorities over here. Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
There we go.
What do you do? Change the flaps on the plane?
I'm taking an OE div right now, so.
Hey, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss.
Hold on, I need to stop and take a picture.